Green Party, 4,810. Gwyn Andrew John, Labour and Cooperative Party, 18,505. Moffat Lee, Reform UK, 5142. Reid John Campbell, commonly used name Reid John, Liberal Democrats, 1,399. Welsh Ruth Ann Welsby, the Conservative Party candidate, 2,888. The total number of valid votes cast was 36,560. The number of ballot papers rejected was as follows: 1 to official mark 1, voting for more than one candidate 33, writing or marked by which voter could be identified 0, being unmarked or void for uncertainty 141. The total number of rejected ballot papers 175. The total number of ballot papers verified as returned was 36,735. and the percentage turnout was therefore 48%. I hereby declare that Andrew John Gwyn is duly elected Member of Parliament for the Gorton and Denton constituency.
Lord Mayor, thank you very much for declaring the result for the first time ever for the new Gorton and Denton constituency. It's my great pleasure to stand here as the first ever Member of Parliament for that seat. A seat that includes my hometown, Denton, where I've always lived, grown up, went to school, brought my own family up. But it also includes some great communities in this brilliant city of Manchester where I was born. And I want to thank each and every one of you that has supported me across the constituency, particularly in Burnage, in Longsight, in Levendew and in Gorton and Abbey Hay. You have opened your arms to me, you've made me feel welcome, you've supported me throughout, and I will always remember that support and friendship. I want to thank the counting staff, I want to thank the returning officer, I want to thank the police and the security, and indeed the fellow candidates, because this is democracy in action. We've got a great chance to rebuild our country ahead of us. It's not going to be easy after 14 years of Conservative government. This country is broken, but the Labour government we have elected tonight will rise up to that challenge. I look forward to working with my brilliant staff, Angela, Jane, Charlotte, Claire and Tim. I want to pay a special thank you to Claire, who helped pull this campaign together, and my brilliant agent Brenda Warrington, who has been with me from the start. There's one last thank you though, and that's to my wife Alison, who I would not be standing here without her support. She said to me 20 years ago, if you go for your home seat and you don't get it, you'll know it was never to be. But if you go for your home seat and you get it, just think what you can do for the people you've grown up with. I won't let you down. Thank you.